to get a big order from a showroom, let's say a chain in Dubai or New York or Europe, Germany, or whatever, so it saves a lot of time, and that's the way it works. You have to have samples happening, and you have to go through a series of approvals and stuff. If the clients are coming over, great. You can have a meeting in your office, present them everything, give them the break even point, give them the ballpoint budget or whatever. That's a separate chapter altogether. That's a separate way of working and stuff. But give them a sample and get approvals and get the ball rolling. So that is going to save a lot of your time. It's going to remove, a lot of this unnecessary thinking from abstract worlds or worlds of designs and confusion and stuff, and it's going to kind of get you to a very real picture of what they really want. So it's very easy. If you have a sample, you can always improvise on that: the color, the logo, the finish, the size, you know what else? I mean, a lot of stuff goes into it, the packaging and all that. Okay, so life becomes a lot easier. So this is how AI helps, and if you can learn from this, please connect with me on jkapani@gmail.com, justeenkapani.im@gmail.com, justeenkapanioffice@gmail.com. If you learn anything from this, you can write into me and get in touch with me for orders or samples or for a meeting, for consultancy, or for buying a products and stuff. I'm an award winner, about 4 awards in the last 2 years, and about 16, 17 certificates over the years and stuff for all the work and all that. So you could be assured that you're in safe hands and hands of experienced people. I've also worked on more than 4,000 brands all across the globe in whatever jobs I've had. So it would be easy to team up and have something working in a professional manner. So write to me, and thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you so much for spending time to write in and stuff. And again, a reminder, please email me on jkapani@gmail.com, justeenkapani.im@gmail.com, or justeenkapani@office.com. I do not pick up my WhatsApp calls much, and I do not reply. I prefer to stick to the global way of works, which is emailing and stuff. And if it's really very important and stuff, then we get onto the phone and all that. Okay. So take care. Have a bombastic week ahead. All the good luck and all the good happiness and joy at work and stuff. Soak up some coffee. Soak up some chai. Soak up some nimbu pani. Soak up some thanda beverages and stuff, and stay chilled and do your work. Love and luck. Bye bye.